When speaking to entrepreneurs and very successful people, usually most of the time you hear stories of struggles, stories of how they started, difficult childhood they had, the challenges they had to go through, difficult things they had to overcome in order to make it big. And that's a very, very usual story that you hear. It's interesting that lately I heard from a few people who told me, Chaim, what do I do? I don't have such difficult stories. I didn't have any difficulties in my childhood. Everything was very good for me, Baruch Hashem. Everything was great. And they start thinking they cannot succeed. They cannot make it big because they don't have that difficult starting point. They don't have the difficult challenges to go through. If there is such a thing, I don't believe there is such a thing, but even if there is, the point is when you have something that you encounter, something difficult, you should know that it's very possible that this is the seed of something great. Just prepare yourself and don't let yourself down. No, focus on it. This is a story that could be the starting of something that you're really aiming for.